Look, Baltimore is such a big market, right? They have so many opportunities here, and it's really centered on the electrical construction industry. These are data centers, these are substations, these are utility assets that are being built out, and this really gives us an opportunity to grow.
The purpose of this blitz is really to focus on getting non-union workers to understand what it's like to be a part of a union.
I had the dream to be an electrician, and I wanted these people that are working non-union to have the same lifestyle that I was able to have with joining the IBEW.
This is the core of what we do. We're built to organize. We're built to bring all the electrical workers under one umbrella and build strength and power.
The non-union are welcome into the IBEW, and that importance of passing that baton on to the next generation, not only as leaders, but as workers in the field, and making sure that the next generation has a better opportunity than we did.
But this is what we are. This is our culture. This is our core. This is what the IBEW is about. So we're thankful for that, and we really appreciate you being here.
Thank you.
Thank you, brother.
To learn more, watch now on ETV.